The opening of the internet to the people in the 90s was a movement meant to allow them access to information. Over time, the internet has grown to an unimaginable heights with a ton of information coming in all the time, which also allows the internet to be a host for plenty of unwanted, untruthful and misleading information that can be made by anyone. Fast forward to 2020, fake news has gained a lot of popularity. Fake news spreads so fast like a wildfire due to the advancement in technology. Anyone with a smartphone can use social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter to make fake posts. Research shows that over 60% of Americans access news through social media compared to the traditional newspaper and magazines. With the popularity of social media, individuals can easily access fake news. As a result, fake news is omnipresent among the viewer population. On November 8, 2016, India established a 2000 rupee currency bill. Fake news went viral over WhatsApp that the note came equipped with spying technology that tracked bills 120 meters below the earth. A fake screenshot which was posted on Twitter during coronavirus pandemic told the people in US that they can buy home testing kits for COVID-19. A fake message which attributed to ISMR went viral on WhatsApp which showed the do's and don'ts during lockdown in India. So these are the one of the many fake posts that was made during 21st century. So why do people make fake news? How does it spread so fast? And how can we spot a fake news? So in this video I'll be answering to all these questions. But before we start, I had to inform you that YouTube algorithm is completely destroying my channel. My watch time and views are declining. So you as a viewer can help me fight this YouTube algorithm by watching this video till the end and also by liking this video. So I hope you will do these few things. So let's begin our video. Actually, there are a number of reasons why people make fake news. One reason why people make fake news is for getting the whole attention of the internet to their post. You can imagine what would happen if a fake news goes viral. Social media platforms and news channels will start to discuss that fake news. So their post will become famous and that would make the fake news writer happy and also will encourage them to write another fake post expecting it to also go viral. Another reason may be to create violence among people. You can see these types of fake news mainly in India for creating violence among people in different religion or castes. People also make fake posts for making money. Now you might be thinking, from where do these fake posts get money? They make money just like a normal post does. So here is the thing, the website from which you see the fake post have ads. So these ads help the website to make money. So more views means more money. The fake post will be deleted in a few days. However, within those few days, the website must have made enough money they want. You will be also shocked to hear that fake news makes more money than the real news. It's because people are more hooked to news that are fake. Next you might be thinking, how do this fake news spread so fast across the internet? As I said before, we are mostly attracted towards fake news rather than real news. They hook us, they catch our attention very fast. As soon as we see a post that seems interesting, which fake news actually are, we are more likely to like, comment and share it to our friends or followers. This increases the engagement in that particular post and then the algorithm suggests this post to other people. So first we have users sharing to others and second we have computer algorithm suggesting to others. So that's why this fake news spreads so fast. Now let's talk about how can we identify whether a news is real or fake. So here are my top tips for spotting a fake news. First, take a closer look. You should check the source of the story. Do you recognize that website? Is it a reliable source? If you are unfamiliar with that site, look in the about section or find out more information about the author. Look beyond the headline. Check the entire article. Many fake stories use shocking headlines to grab attention. Often the headlines of fake news are all in caps and use exclamation point. The dates and spelling may be incorrect if the post is fake. Check other sources. Are other news or media outlets reporting on the story? Normally, almost every media outlet reports real news. So make sure to check other sources before you comment or share the post. One bonus tip that I can tell you is that you can Google it. If the news is real, you can see them in the search results. If the post shows a screenshot of another post, make sure that you find that original post to confirm that the post is real. Now you know how to spot a fake news. But how can you, as a person, stop the spread of fake news? You may think that you by yourself alone can't do anything against a fake post, but actually you can make a difference. So here is how to do it. Once you identify a fake post, you have to make a video or a normal post pointing out that particular fake post. You have to make people aware that this post is fake. Think what will happen if almost every person started doing this. Then it can make a huge difference. It can help many people from being fooled. To completely stop the spread of fake news, countries can take strong action against fake news just like what Russia did. In March 2019, Russia passed a new bill to ban websites from spreading false information. In addition to tackling fake news, the new legislation specifically punishes any source or websites for publishing materials that insult them. For repeated offenders, they would receive a 15-day jail sentence. To make the ending of this video happy, I would like to inform you that in the future, there will be less fake news spreading events as companies will start to add fake news labeling feature to their apps. So thank you for watching this video till the end and make sure to like this video and feel free to subscribe to this channel. And if you're watching this video during coronavirus pandemic, I would recommend you to watch this video. It is about the things that you can do during coronavirus pandemic. So I'll see you there. Bye.